Hello Fashion TV, here we are in the headquarters of custom made in the world, where custom made is being focused on, and here you can see 3,000 people, and especially focusing on custom made, and with the best hardware and software possibilities and the best quality possible, emphasizing on these garments. Right now we are here in the suit production. There are single steps for the suit which adapted to the ready-made infrastructure, and every single step, with the production line on top is attached to each other, making custom made possible. Over here there is the pressing department, which actually is the most important in the finishing department for the suit. The modern conveyor belt, as you can see, which is attached to the ceiling. Every single department gets the suit via the conveyor belt, so there is no confusion in the production. The hand stitching department. This department, especially for the hand stitching part, we can do suits 100% done by hand. To the most important part in the whole suit, it's actually the pattern. The pattern can be done through a CAD system, or the pattern can be done by hand. Here, this department, we check the fabric on knots and on quality, and also on shrinkage. So let me go to the detail of our suits of Masscouture. As you can see, this is a single-breasted with 3 buttons. The workmanship is focusing on standardized production for custom made. The Masscouture label is basically bringing the idea of custom made to the mass. If a tailor makes a suit for you, yes, he will make a beautiful suit and he will put all his love and everything, but these industrialized machines, and it's importantly the standards of each positions are missing, because he's focusing on every single part of the suit, and even the suit is being produced within 2-3 days. It doesn't have the standards. The customer who is receiving the jacket, of course, or the suit, he doesn't realize, because he's only focused on the fit, and he will say, wow, beautiful. You cannot compare a tailor-made suit which you buy from the market with a tailor-made suit which you buy from Masscouture. This suit is standardized, even though you order 10 suits or 10 shirts or 20 shirts, doesn't matter. It has standardized features, and every single item you order, doesn't matter what quantities, will have the same fit, will have the same stitching and the same standards. That's only possible for the mass. This is where our experience comes from, because we have been in this mass custom-made field for the last 5-6 years, and we know what it means in the customer. Hello Fashion TV, right now we are here in the shirt department of the factory. I will show you some interesting details about the pattern, automatically generated for Masscouture customers. We can tell even 0.5 centimeter exactly when the customer is ordering, and by this we can guarantee for the mass. Many stitching lines of the shirt department. As you can see, this shirt department is very clean. Right now we are here, we have a QC only for the fabrics, so even the fabrics we are ordering from different mills, we can guarantee, and checking the knots, how many knots on square meters there are on the fabric. These parts, usually the cutting department. I'm here in the cutting department, so we are cutting the shirts. Right now we are showing you how we cut the shirts by hand. The customers who are ordering our shirts can now see how much effort is being put. Every single detail is in here. The master tailor is right now not doing the pattern. The line is still from a 30 years of decade experience master tailor. The shirt quality is being interpreted actually from the collar. We have to put a lot of experience in the cuffs, especially in the interlining. So right now I'm standing here next to the most important machine for actually shirt production, because the interlinings for the collar and cuff, which actually is the most important, because the quality of the shirt is being interpreted from the collar and the cuff. We are using hydraulic machines, not rolling fusing machines, because by this we can guarantee that there will be no bubble at all, even though you wash the shirt 100 times and wearing it 5 or 10 years. So our fabrics we're using for our shirts is a 40 single thread, but in a very high count area. That means, you know, you have a low quality 40 single thread or high quality 40 single thread. Every single stitcher is not a tailor. They're stitchers. So they don't have know-how about how to make the pattern like a tailor, but we have consistency, we have standards, because we are separating all this stitching of the collar, the cuff, and the body, the sleeve, and making sure that the result is a standardized shirt, like which ready-made shirts. The front placket of the shirt is being stitched. Here is being ironed, and from the ironing, actually, basically, it goes directly to the QC department. You can see that the result is amazing. For example, here we have some Masscouture shirts which still needs to be QC'd, and they're half ironed, because after the QC they will be ironed again. This woman is QCing it. It's amazing. As you can see, she's doing it according to the information sheets being provided. Hello Fashion TV. We are right now here in a jeans factory in north of China. So, 1번你的公司做什么？
主要做女仔呀。
女仔。
系列的。
你公司有多少人工作？
现在啊，400多个人。
4个人。好。你1번班可以不可以做一个人一套？
单独订做的，可以。
你做过吗？
啊，做过。
以前做过？
啊，
没有问题。
没问题。
So I asked her. So she says, well, 450 people working right now here in the jeans factory. We are right now here in the sample room, and whether they have done custom-made jeans. She said, yeah, they've done it before, and they can do it. There's no problem at all. The size usually, so you know, the people will be measured, and then according to the measurement we produce the jeans, she says. That's the difference. So ready-made normally has standard sizes. We have in the sample room, we have somebody stitching a jeans skirt. 你好，你做什么？
我做服装。
她做服装。
做样品。
Okay, she's stitching the skirt. As you can see, the skirt is not yet finished. It's only on a stitch, but it will be finished probably afterwards. Right now we are here in the jeans factory. We are preparing the custom-made production within this jeans factory. It's a huge factory, around 400-500 people working here. As you can see, any capacity is possible, from the cutting until the stitching and the washing. We are pretty much looking forward for our first custom-made jeans with Masscouture. We are standing in front of the jeans washing, which is actually the most important process in the jeans production. The stitching is easy because a stitcher can stitch anything. That's the reason why you're washing. It's very important. Let's see. Whether custom made or ready made, you can see even the top stitching. It's amazing. And for the washing is also important, using stone wash for special designs, or even just simple wash, small stones. Anything is possible. We'll have a look also a bit in the washing factory, and there you can see, because the customer doesn't want only fit of the jeans, so he also wants beautiful wash. Right now we are here in the workshop of the washing, and you can see, you know, the machinery is the hardware for the washing. You know, some machines, you know, with chemicals, of course, improved, and with the stones, with the denims, will be put, you know, here, for example, you can see denims just being washed and coming out. So they now need to be dried, and then afterwards, they look amazing according to your washing. So as you can see, we have a huge washing place, and important, everything is clean, which is not normal for washing factories.